PP injection machine, special for textile dyeing company, made for the color code. This is the we especially manufacturing for textile dyeing parts making machine. Actually this is the PP series, BP series. This is our brand LANTON 180 ton. 180 ton. This we quickly send our customer country, and this is the heating option. This is the heating and fully the new BP, and this is the full computer option. This is the okay, and come. This is our backside, hopper and hopper out. So this is the PP series. This is the LANTON Machineries Equipments Company Limited. We branding our self company. LANTON is the world famous brand in future. Now is the base in China. We want LANTON Machineries in the world class brand. Okay. This is a fully clean machine. And this is all new. This is new assembling. This for special for the textile equipment grade for the PP machine. Okay, we show you our machine inside. Very good quality. Yes. This is not the infrared heater. This is the just a box type heating system, not infrared. But that's also function is same. And this is the hydraulic system. We give the hopper is the new. And also have the cooling system, mold cooling system. All the new. This is the oil. This is all the new. In the variable pump, quickly good system. This is the off on. This is the multi-jet system. This is also the multi-jet system. Okay. And the electrical equipment is very good. Also, you can do canteen inside. So this is the LANTON brand. LANTON Machineries Equipments Company Limited, Hong Kong, China. Our company is Hong Kong based in production in China. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you very much.